World Mental Health Day. Mental health is the level of psychological well being or an absence of mental illness. It is the state of some who is functioning at satisfactory level of emotional behavior. Mental illness are more common than cancer, diabetes, or heart diseases. Evidence from the WHO suggests that nearly half of the world's population is affected by the mental illness. Mental health problems may arise due to stress, loneliness, depression, anxiety, relationship problems, death of loved ones, etc. Therapists, psychiatrists, psychologists can help to manage mental illness with treatments such as therapy, counseling, or medication. World Mental Health Day is an international day celebrated annually on the 10th of October. It was first celebrated in 1992 at the initiative of the World's Federation for Mental Health. On this day, thousands of supporters come to celebrate this annual awareness program to bring attention to mental illness and mobilizing efforts in support of mental health. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness of mental health issues around the world and mobilizing efforts in support of mental health. This year, World's Mental Health Day comes at a time when our daily lives have changed as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The economic consequences of the pandemic are already being felt. Given past experiences of emergencies, it is expected that the need for mental health and psychosocial support will substantially increase in the coming months and years. Investment in mental health programs at the national and international level is now more important than it has ever been. This is why the goal of this year World's Mental Health Day campaign is increased investment in mental health. It is therefore of great significance and importance that the theme for World Mental Health Day 2020 will be Mental Health for All, Greater Investment, Greater Access. Mental health is a human right. It's time that mental health is available for all. Quality, accessible primary health care is the foundation for universal health coverage and is urgently required deals with the current health emergency. We therefore need to make mental health a reality for all, for everyone, everywhere. Thank you. A happy World Mental Health Day.